would say.
Hmm?
Alright. Best I can see it.
Should come out because I've seen the.
Yeah?
Saw the oil sort of inside there now when you were turning it round. Where's that coming from?
Yeah?
Just off it where you've
What?
just
That's
sprayed.
just what I've sprayed it. It's clarted and rust.
Aye.
It's an 18 mil.
Oh yeah. Did you bring one there?
Oh, I brought two. I'm bring one.
Jesus.
It's not like you can even get a wire, but I shouldn't have.
Nah.
Well, I see somebody. I'll tell you what somebody's done there.
Aye.
Yeah, I can see it here. They've quartered the burst the bottom ball joint.
In here.
No, the bottom ball joint. They burst the bottom ball joint, right?
Right.
So to protect the bottom ball joint, what they've done, right, is they've covered it in silicone.
Ah.
Rather than replace the fucking. See, all he's done there, right, is he's put a new front arm on it, right, on this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And he's burst the ball joint on that on the new one as well, right? He's put a new anti-roll bar link on it, right?
Yep. What's this here?
That's an anti-roll bar link, aye. But he's burst the ball joints.
Oh.
He's burst the boots in both of them. He's burst the boot in the back one here. He's burst the boot in the front one. Huh. And the front one's a brand new one.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, give that spray over, please. Another glove laying over there somewhere.
On your hand? No?
No. I could be in my hand. It'd be in my hand, man. What are you talking about?
I thought it was in my hand. There's none in there.
Yeah?
There's none in.
Right, as I was saying, I've had to heat that up, hammer a 17 over the head of it, because the 18 bolt was knackered. The guy obviously burst this when he was putting the new front one on, because you can see there's a new anti-roll bar link. Well, there's a new bar on the front of it as well. He's obviously burst that, right, as you can see, and then he's decided, after he burst it, to cover it in silicone. But the other stupid thing about it is that caliper seized. Now, if you look in there, you can see that he spent time on this, putting new brake discs on it, new pads on it, and not replaced the caliper that's seized. I don't understand it. I really don't. And why would you even bother? It makes no sense. Right, I'll come back to you. New CV joint. New caliper to go over the new brake pads. I'm just going to bleed it up, and then I'll be moving to the back. But I'm sure you can agree that looks a lot better. A lot better. Even though I've not bled the brakes yet. but I need Tina to help me with that. So get back to you shortly once I've done that. Looks a lot better.